See you later, home. See you in about a week. Well, this is the start of pretty much around a 6-7 day trip down to Malaysia. I needed to do get a new visa. I've got to get one every year, and the closest, easiest place to do it is down in Malaysia, a place called Koh Tao. So I thought this is a perfect time to dust off the BMW. Now let's do a little road trip down there. So me and Gaz, we're going to get a night boat tonight to Chompon, and then we're going to head down to Malaysia. So here we are. It's 5:30 in the morning after very little sleep, maybe 1 hour, 2 hours maximum. It was crazy waves last night, so the boat was rocking, made it virtually impossible to get some sleep. So we have got a very long drive now. We're going to go down the scenic route from Chompon to Hat Yai, but there's no way I can do any driving at this point. So we've got possibly like a 10-15 minute drive now to a little cafe we know where I can get some fresh coffee. So I'll stock up maybe 2-3 cups of fresh coffee, and then I might be in a bit of a better frame of mind to be driving down I think first stop to Touratech. And we're coming up to Fame Bar, by far the place to be if you want to get a cup of fresh coffee at 5:30 in the morning. In fact, it's probably one of the only places. Right, we are fully fueled up, bike on gasoline, and I've had 3 cups of coffee, so I am fully fueled up as well. What we got now is about a 3-hour ride down the highway from Chompon to Touratech, so it's going to be pretty uneventful. We might have to stop off for a couple of Red Bulls because it's still early in the morning. But yeah, hopefully it'll fly by. Mini mission to Touratech finished, and now comes the second part of the trip, which is from Suratani down to Hat Yai, which is going to be where we're stopping tonight. It's getting on pretty late right now. We're already at about 11:15. So we're going to have to take the most direct route down to Hat Yai. It's still going to take us maybe 4.5 hours to get down to Hat Yai. Just pulled off a highway now. We've still got another 2 hours 40 minutes left, but it's a bit monotonous going down the highway in a straight line, so Gaz is now just trying to reroute us with a little bit of a detour to, you know, spice things up a bit. A few twists and turns would be nice, so we'll see what he comes up with. Checked into the Hat Yai. We've had some food, had a couple of drinks. What I didn't really put into the spiel as I was driving was I had a massive problem with the helmet. One of the screws that held on the visor and the peak, it broke a long time ago, and it only just threaded into the gap when I put it back on. So what happened whilst I was driving, it came loose and this one popped out, and then I noticed as I was driving the peak was fluttering a little bit. This one popped out as well, so the pressure on that one pin, that one screw, popped it out, snapped off, whatever happened. So then the entire visor was flapping off. The flapping visor dinked my Sena Intercom, and that flapped off as well. So I lost the screws, the connecting port here. Unfortunately, I've lost the Sena. See you later. And I'm left with this helmet. We got another 4 or 5 days of this trip. What can I get tomorrow? Visor, I've still got the screen, so the plan is, if possible, I'm gonna go out, I'm gonna find a couple of screws. Gaz has got some spare plates I can put on the side, so I can literally get this screen put up back on my lid. But yeah, tomorrow we got a great day. We're gonna go down early morning once we sort this helmet out, once I sort out my new intercom system. And then we're going to head down to the Malaysian border and hopefully get across no problems and head down to Georgetown.